How-to content is the best content to me. Why? Because you always gonna have somebody that's gonna be searching for that content. Because everybody have their own feelings. Everybody are going through their own things. And every day it might be a different thing they go through. So you might just be their help. Which means that you could put that content on cruise control. Which means that you do something when you 20 years old, 25 years old, 30, 40, 50, and just set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. When you deal with trending topics, when you dealing with trending things that's happening now, you just get a blow up. You get a blow up. It's content, yeah, people want to know your opinion. It's hundreds of thousands of opinions. You know how many people was on this platform? That first pull I don't take. Lighter fluid, not matches. Give people something. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam Lit, Ghetto Investor. Yeah, let's talk about it. In my opinion, you want to know what the best content is? The best content is how-to content. How-to content. How to do anything content. How to cook, how to clean, how to type, how to write, how to read, how to draw, how to learn. I don't care what you want to put. How to make money. How to control yourself. How-to content is the best content to me. Why? Because you always going to have somebody that's going to be searching for that content. Because everybody have their own feelings. Everybody are going through their own things. And every day it might be a different thing they go through. So you might just be their help. Which means that you could put that content on cruise control. Which means that you do something when you 20 years old, 25 years old, 30, 40, 50, and just set it and forget it. Make a good thumbnail. Make sure it's searchable. Set it and forget it. When you deal with trending topics, when you dealing with trending things that's happening now, you just get a blow up. You get a blow up. It's content, yeah, people want to know your opinion. It's hundreds of thousands of opinions. You know how many people was on this platform? You gotta stand out. Give people something. Give people something. You running your mouth ain't really giving people nothing. I know it's people up here that talk a lot. And they very motivational. Why? Because you get something out of it. And then there's people up here that just run their mouth because they see any news topic that's relevant right now. My thing is, okay, you get the blow up, you get the blow up. Now you got to keep producing that type of content and keep grabbing people. That means you got to keep working. It might be something you like to do, all the things you like to do. But if it's not nothing you like to do, it's something you know how to do. That's great. Everybody have a talent. Everybody have something that they know how to do, but they just don't know how to bring it out. This is how you bring it out. You see this platform? How to cook. I don't care what you want to do. How to do hair. There's tutorials on here on how to catch Pokemon. There's tutorials on Udemy on how to catch Pokemon, and people was paying for it. How-to content, to me, is the best content. Always. You're teaching somebody something. It's a tutorial. It's a tutorial. Some people sit back and they wonder why they can't grow. You can't grow because the way you putting it out. You're not diversified. You just doing one thing and you attacking and attacking your own people. That means it's just a set opinion. Okay, so let me just see what you have to say about the subject. But what are you actually teaching me? How am I actually winning? Giving me that I can win. Fight the power is okay. Ooh, okay. I don't have time for marches. I don't have time for things like that. To me, it's a waste of time. I'm just being honest. Up to me, you keep your ass in the house. And I'm going to say it again because you sit there and you go out there and you get in all that. How many marches been and people getting hurt and people going to jail when you have loved ones? So, yeah, you selfish then. So go ahead and be selfish. Because go ahead and be selfish. The system is too big to care about your march. Let's get it together. Please. You have winners, you have losers in life. You have people that know where they go, and you have people that think they know where they go. You have people that just don't play, don't go anywhere. Which one are you? Which one are you? This is why I say how-to is the best content. It's always going to grab people. You see how I move around this stuff and that I have? That's me. That's my personality. That's how I move. That brings in more people. That brings in an audience. It's entertainment. But get the message. Get what's coming out of my mouth. I'm not even going to say in my opinion no more. How-to is the best content. That's it. It's longevity. It's long term. You be 60 years old, you did something at 20 and you still getting paid for it. Your kids get paid for it. You pass on and you pass on something to your kids. Not a bunch of you running your mouth about trending topics. Trending topics is not it. Trending topics just mean that you are trending. You set it. You follow it. That's all a trend is. I like to make them. Talk to me about making. Following them ain't gonna do nothing. It just make you like everybody else, a savage. Y'all see me get into trending topics every once in a while. It's gonna be a message and it's gonna be contained into me. Bam Lit, ghetto investor, my brand. So that people could love me more and they can love and understand my success and seeing it from the bottom. Like, comment, subscribe. Just giving y'all something to think about. The ghetto man, ghetto investor, Bam Lit.